In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Odoo website. Whether you're reorganizing your digital presence or simply need to make some changes, understanding how to properly remove a website in Odoo is essential. Let's walk through this process together so you can tidy up your Odoo environment with confidence. First things first. To begin the deletion process, we need to enable a special setting, specifically Developer Mode. Go ahead and log into your Odoo account and navigate to the Settings menu. Once you're there, scroll all the way down until you find the option to activate Developer Mode. Click on this option. By doing so, you unlock additional menu options, those that are generally hidden, and this will actually give you access to the website's menu in the website app, which is crucial for the task at hand. You might also notice other advanced features now available, but today we are focusing purely on the website deletion process. Next up, and it's an important step, we need to deal with dependent records. Odoo won't let you delete a website if there is content still linked to it. It's essential to manually unlink or delete these dependencies to proceed. These dependents could include blogs and blog posts, which might have been created under this website. Don't forget about standard pages and any menus that are associated as well. Take a look at your linked contacts. That's things like the res.partner entries which might reference that website in question. You'll also want to review any orders, products, or price lists that are tied specifically to this website. And a quick tip, even if you've archived some of these items thinking they were out of sight, they might still be linked, so ensure you thoroughly check through archived data too. Once all of the dependencies are taken care of, you're ready for the final step, which is deleting the website through the user interface. Make your way over to the website app, and from there, click on the configuration menu followed by websites. This is where you'll see your list of websites. Find the specific website you want to delete and select it. Up next, click on the Actions button. You'll see a Delete option appear. As long as there are no remaining links or dependencies, you can go ahead and click Delete to remove the website. It's that simple once everything is properly unlinked and the deletions and deactivations are handled. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to deleting a website in Odoo. By carefully following these steps, you ensure a clean and efficient removal of your website and keep your Odoo environment running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing.